Huawei Mate 80 RS Extraordinary Master Edition. What pops into your head when you hear that name? Maybe you think of its unmistakable premium design. Maybe it's the smooth, innovative user experience. Or perhaps it's simply its reputation as a true flagship powerhouse. The phrase 80 to beat 800 sums it up perfectly. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content, capturing the Mate 80 RS's blend of style, craftsmanship, and forward-thinking technology. From the moment this series launched, it's been known for delivering both emotional appeal and practical value. Even the unboxing feels special. The signature red packaging reveals a raised, extraordinary master logo as soon as you open it. The 8-bit structure is cleverly designed to match the phone's camera module, giving the device extra support and protection during transport. Once you actually pick up the phone, the first thing that stands out is its design and the premium feel in your hand. The pure white finish looks clean and classy, staying true to the signature star-shaped camera theme. Two bold lines rise along the back, perfectly framing the large star-style camera module and giving the phone a strong, sophisticated presence. The back has been upgraded to 5D Kunlun glass, which is lighter, tougher, and has a soft, translucent glow when it catches the light. Paired with the high brightness body, durability and style go hand in hand. And if the design is bright, the screen is even more impressive. This ultra-wide color gamut, zero color bias display is no joke. Take it outside under harsh sunlight and compare it with any other flagship. You'll immediately notice how much brighter and clearer it is. So what makes it so powerful? The secret is its dual-layer OLED panel. This dual-layer structure is the star of the show. Think of it this way. A single-layer OLED has to push itself to the limit to hit ultra-high brightness levels, like one person trying to lift 200 pounds alone. It's exhausting and shortens its lifespan. But with a dual-layer OLED, a single-layer panel simply can't compete. This is a hardware advantage from the ground up. Of course, brightness isn't the only highlight. If it were just that, the screen would feel one-dimensional. What makes it truly stand out is its support for the BT 2020 wide color gamut. Whether you're recording video, taking photos, or using apps, the colors look crisp, clean, and incredibly lifelike. Compared to the industry-standard iPhone 17 Pro Max with its P3 color gamut, the Mate 80 RS delivers smoother color transitions and richer layering, especially when playing highly saturated HDR content. But here's the truth. No matter how well we film it or show it on camera, this display is something you really have to see in person to appreciate. Screens and photos simply can't capture the full experience. If you ever get the chance, definitely check it out yourself. The Mate 80 RS really shows its strength when it comes to camera performance. With 4 individual sensors working together alongside the second-generation Rainbow Peak primary color lens, you're basically getting a true 5-camera system. This upgraded Rainbow Peak main camera keeps colors consistent across every native focal length, which means even in scenes with mixed lighting, you get incredibly accurate, natural-looking tones. In high-contrast situations, the main sensor also delivers impressive dynamic range. Just look at these sample shots. What do you think? The dual-focus telephoto lens gives you 2 native zoom levels, 4x and 6.2x. Both deliver sharp detail and smooth transitions between focal lengths. The 4x option even supports 5mm telephoto macro, and because 960 FPS slow motion works across all focal lengths, you can capture moments like these, bright nightlife, neon signs, and all kinds of glowing visuals that look even more stunning on this display. The Mate 80 RS Extraordinary Master also steps things up in daily performance and connectivity. It supports dual physical SIMs plus dual eSIMs, letting you freely switch between the two, especially useful for telecom users. That gives you 4 SIMs and 4 standbys, something you don't see very often. You also get convenient features like card-free activation and seamless global roaming. Beyond satellite communication, the device includes 700 MHz wireless connectivity as well. Huawei has always pushed the limits of communication tech, and this phone continues that tradition with stable, uninterrupted network performance. On the About Phone page, you'll immediately notice the expected 20 gigabytes of RAM. A few years ago, who would have thought a Huawei phone would reach this level of memory? And considering how memory prices have skyrocketed recently and how many brands have raised their prices, the Mate 80 RS Master has held its ground, even lowering the prices of other Mate 80 series models through HarmonyOS all-round promotions and daily bonuses. After using the phone for a couple of days, including gaming, I can confidently say its performance feels outstanding, especially with HarmonyOS 6 boosting everything. The system is exceptionally smooth. Over the past year, HarmonyOS has made huge progress as a full ecosystem. App compatibility now exceeds 95%, and the overall experience has gone from simply usable to genuinely polished. Even niche apps run smoothly through Zhuoyitong, opening quickly and performing almost like native apps. And it's not just the system. Xiaoyi AI has also seen a massive upgrade. With the Xiaoyi AI helper, you can hand off repetitive or time-consuming tasks without worry. It also learns from you. Teach it once, and it remembers. So after seeing everything the Huawei Mate 80 RS Extraordinary Master brings, what's your impression? At this point, Extraordinary Master isn't just a name or a label. It carries real meaning and represents the capability and identity of a true full-strength flagship. After each product launch, there are always doubts and misunderstandings floating around online. But as Andy Lau put it in his recent short video, the keywords are repetition and persistence. Huawei has reached this level by doing difficult things over and over again until extraordinary becomes normal. Through real, consistent effort, they've challenged old assumptions about domestic brands, elevated tech standards with high-end craftsmanship, and written a story that's genuinely inspiring. Not everyone is naturally gifted, but those who persist will always find a way to break through. And this phone stands as a tribute not only to its era, but to everyone who has fought through challenges and come out stronger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.